I was looking for different solutions to do more STEM-related projects, and then I came across the company Makers Redbox, and they provide lesson plans and everything already combining STEAM education. So there's some maths in there, there's a laser cutter, there's the 3D printers, and they all combined it into one project, and they also help and guide, and that was something that I was really looking forward to trying out and implementing in the curriculum. Something I was very surprised and also very proud of with my group is how well they worked together and how well it just came together, and they were really in it with the story that was told around this, like, why are we doing this and what is the purpose of this. My input was very, very minimal, and that was very nice to see how the students just took this project and ran with it and just like created it their own.
I started to implement the City of the Future project last year. As a makerspace specialist, I was extremely happy because my students developed two types of skills. They developed soft skills, collaboration, cooperation, creativity, critical thinking, and also they developed or learned technical skills. It will spark your students' interest to inspire a lot of future jobs in the future, like, for example, designers, 3D printing engineers.
Mixtura is always on the lookout for interesting things, be it technology or course material or something that mixes the two when it comes to advancing the knowledge of students and teachers about creativity and technology in a formal school education, but also after-school programs.
When we first saw the Makers Redbox, it somehow all fitted together. And this pedagogical aspect of the Makers Redbox was something that we really loved.
We hadn't seen this type of course material before.
You have the technical skills, you have like the global competences, you have data literacy and so on. What I like most about the Makers Redbox is how everything somehow comes together.